I'm just gonna turn around so y'all can see like how it looks in the back. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a hair review on this Nadula hair today. And I'm sorry, my voice is kind of raspy. I went out last night and my voice is kind of gone, but that's neither here nor there. So anyway, I'll be reviewing this hair today and telling you guys how I got this color and all types of things like that. So if you're interested in a hair review on this hair, just keep on watching. So this hair was sent to me by Nadula Hair on Amazon, bitch. Not AliExpress, not Nadula.com, but Amazon, okay? And when I tell y'all, Amazon might be doing something, I think I might have to transfer over to the Amazon side, because baby, what? Okay, anyway, I'm reviewing their 8A human hair 13x4 lace frontal in body wave, in the texture body wave. And obviously the hair was not sent to me this way. It was, how many inches was this? I want to say, oh, 16 inches. So it was sent to me 16 inches, and obviously I cut it because 16 inches may be like here. But when I got the hair, it's like they put one track in the back to make it that length. So for the most part, all of the hair was like maybe here. I want to say maybe here, because this is like, well, no, this kind of stops here. So maybe the hair was like maybe here. And then it had one track in the back that gave me the 16-inch length. So obviously that one track is super, super thin. So I just went ahead and cut that off. And then I just cut it a little bit more just to give it a more fuller look, because it was looking a little thin just because of that whole one track in the back. But after I cut it, I mean, it is what it is. I really love it now. But what I want to say, okay, so I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's really get into this hair. So I ordered the hair, let me give y'all the exact date, June 13th. And I got the hair on June 17th. So it took like 4 days to get here. When I first got the hair, it did not have a smell. It had like the regular hair smell, like I always say in my videos, but it didn't have like a bad smell, which I was happy about that. The the hairline was not pre-plucked. Like, I had to do some serious plucking. I don't think I took a picture of the hairline before I plucked it, but if I do, I'll insert, if I did take a picture, I'll insert the picture like right here or something. But the hairline was super, super thick, so I had to really pluck the hairline. And there were a few baby hairs, but you know, I still had to like pluck those out basically because the hairline was so thick, and then I had to create my own or whatever. But it is what it is. This wig does have 3 combs on the inside. It's 2 and then 1 in the back, so that's good for people who use combs. I personally don't. I have a wig cap on under here. And yeah, as for the actual hair, the lace is super, super easy to make scalp like, if I want to say that, because I bet y'all probably couldn't even tell that I have on a black wig cap under here. So all I did was put my foundation on the inside of the lace and put it on, and boom, like, you would think I have a wig cap under here, but oh well, I do have a wig cap, but you would think I have on like a brown wig cap or whatever. The actual hair is like, this wig is really, really, really thin. Like, not thin, but really lightweight. Like, it's not a lot of hair in here at all, and I actually really, really like that. When I first felt the wig, I was like, oh, this is gonna be a horrible wig. It's gonna be super see-through. It's gonna be unbearable because it's not enough hair, because I'm so used to having like really thick wigs. So this is my first time like having a really thin one, and I want to say I really like it. Like, my head does not sweat, my hair does not like my head doesn't get really hot when I go outside. It's like perfect, like just perfect. And when you put like curls in it, it's not like a lion mane, I guess that's what it's called. It's like really like flat, and it's just the perfect amount of hair in the wig. So if you're nervous about, if you got the hair and you were like nervous about the density, you will be perfectly fine, because I was freaking out at first, but I'm loving it now. Like, this color is just bomb. On camera, I don't know if it's on camera. It's showing up like orangey, but it's really like a honey blondish color. But whatever, we're not talking about that. The hair does really well to bleach because I use the L'Oreal High Color Highlights, and then I bleached it afterwards too, and the hair was not like shedding or anything. Like, hair is not shedding at all, and I'm like pulling. Hair is not shedding at all, so that's really, really good. I didn't bleach the closure, so I mean I didn't bleach the frontal. I don't bleach my knots anymore, so I can't really say how well it would handle bleach knots, but I want to say it would do good because the actual hair is holding up really good after being processed like that. So I feel like it would do really good with bleach. What else can I say? One thing I would say is, if you're interested in getting this exact wig, you would have to make sure that you have a smaller head than me, I want to say, because like, well, of course I don't have the frontal laid down, it's just like sitting on top of my head, but like on the sides it doesn't come all the way to my it doesn't like cover my hairline. So, and it's like a really snug fit. So if your head is bigger than mine, that might be a problem. But me personally, I'm just gonna wear it as a closure, you know, simple as that. I don't need to lay down the lace or whatever. It's the middle part, so I can get away with it. But if you have like a bigger head, or a smaller head would be perfect for this, but a bigger head, it might be a little challenging to deal with, especially if you want to wear it as a frontal. Me personally, I really don't care having like my frontal look or whatever, but if you're ordering this to be a frontal and wear it like a frontal, you might want to see if they have like a bigger size, because the cap, like I said, is very small, and it has adjustable straps in it, and they're not hooked, so like it's stretched out as far as it can go, but it's still like really snug. I'm just gonna turn around so y'all can see like how it looks in the back. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this hair. This is probably one of the best wigs that I've gotten from Amazon. One of the, it's up there. It's like my top 3. No, it's not my top 2. It's out of my top 2. So I'm really loving it. Nadula hair, y'all keep doing y'all thing. So Nadula hair, if y'all want to send me some more wigs for me to promote for y'all, I got y'all. Just let me know. Just hit me back in the email, and I got y'all, because y'all really didn't get it with this. Like, I'm super, super pleased, and I love it so much. So if anybody is asking if I recommend this hair, I definitely do. Just be aware of the few little things that I said. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Give it a big, 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 big thumbs up. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come to my channel and subscribe. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.